I've been on top for a while. That's how cheap it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hey sweeties, it's Sugar here and we're back with another review. Today we're doing Rebecca Beauty hair. Inside of the box you get 2 wig caps and the 20-inch 13x4. So like I said, this is a 13x4. You get 3 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and a lace tab. This wig had so much lace in the front, so I had to cut it off, but this is transparent lace and it is said to be pre-plucked. So now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Cream Palette, and I'm just going to put my shade all over my wig cap and blend it in really good. Now it's time to get to the install. I'm using the E-band tinted lace in medium brown. Make sure you're getting that all over the lace and just past the hairline. And don't forget to cut off your lace tab. I low-key hate these. I never use it, and sometimes I accidentally leave it on when I'm installing a wig. It is so frustrating. So now I'm just cutting off the ear tabs. They were really easy to cut off, very beginner friendly. The cap is actually very big head friendly, I feel. I actually had room in the back. I could have made it tighter, which is always a good thing. I'd rather it be too loose or have some extra room in the back than to not. And it just frames the face so well. Now I'm going in with the Got To Be. I did 1 layer and I blow dried it to where it was almost completely dry, and then I put on a 2nd layer and blow dried it until it was tacky, and I laid down my wig. So this step where I spray it on top of the wig, you don't have to do that, but like I said, this is transparent lace, so sometimes it has a cast to it, so I was just trying to like combat that as much as possible. You don't have to do that step. It's just my personal preference. So now I'm going in one final time with my Got To Be just to get rid of any cast, any lifting, and just melt it back down to my skin and make it more seamless. So the last step in my melting process is usually going back with the brush that I did my wig cap with and just using whatever product is left and push it all around the hairline so it comes out like this. So while I finish up styling this wig, I just want to give you my final thoughts on if I think it's worth it and all of that. So this wig is $125. It's 20 inches and it is bone straight. I usually do not get straight hair. The straightest I will go is maybe like a body wave. I just do not like thin hair. But this one, I must say, it's 180 density and it's a pretty natural density. It's not paper thin. The ends are good. It flat ironed well. I'm sure it could hold a nice curl too. The knots bleach really well. I did the W2 bleach powder with the Claire All 40 developer and I left it on for 30 or 40 minutes and they lifted pretty good for an Amazon wig. I've had some Amazon wigs, they will not lift for anything, so I was actually really pleased with the knots. I did not experience any shedding when I was shampooing or even after I styled it. It did not come with like an offensive odor. After washing and conditioning, it smelled really good. It has a nice little flow to it. Like, it's very affordable, everyday friendly wig. If you're just looking for something you can rock every day and you're into straight hair, this could definitely be for you. And yeah, I'm pleased with it. I mean, look at that. I think it's actually pre-plucked pretty well. I just did like this little messy style because child was about to go to bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.